First gameplay. Wow, what does this mean? Red versus blue classics. Classic. And, what does this mean? What does this mean? Shit. Red versus blue. The fuck? This what? I think this. Shit. Oof. What the fuck? The fuck, man. Try. I think this would be a great spot. Cover from the fuck. The fuck. Almost. Được khanh. Action. This would be great. What the? I see. Blue versus red is bad. Blue versus red is bad. It's so bad.